On this particular setup, this is where we keep our 12-volt pump for cleaning roofs. We do not spray any solution on the roof with the pressure washer. It's a completely different setup. It's this 12-volt pump here, and on this one the switch is outside the toolbox, and that's what operates the roof cleaning setup. So this is our roof tank, roof soap. In here it's just straight chlorine, 50% straight chlorine and 50% water. That's our roof mix, that's it. Half bleach, half water. And what we do is put the end of this poly hose in this tank, just like you would with your house wash, but we have to use this hose because it is connected to this reel. This is roof cleaning hose. And down here is the roof cleaning wand already hooked up to the hose. There's 200 feet on here. We usually use all of this. Pull this out. The crew leader gets up on the roof and starts pulling chemical, pulls his wand, starts drawing chemical out of the tank, only if this pump is on. And this pump can stay on. It's on demand, so once it builds up pressure, it'll shut off. And then when he pulls his trigger again on his wand, it'll kick on. So you'll just have to turn this on once and then turn it off once at the end of the job. But that is the roof cleaning pump. We also use this to transfer chemicals from our 55-gallon drums and put soap or put bleach in here or in the roof tank. We basically just use it as a transfer pump since we've already got it here. So that's what that is.